Hey guys, I'm just testing this camera. I don't know how the lighting is going to be with this new GoPro. I've done a few car videos, but I haven't really done anything else. So just going to do a walkthrough and see how this comes out. It's just parked here in the backyard. Be ready for another trip next month. I'm going to be here this month working on cars and hoping to get some more on the road with new people behind the wheels. The new dinette table, got the new lamp. Gotta get the wax off the table here. Do a walkthrough. Basically, I'm just trying to test to see how the lighting goes compared to my other videos. With my actually I have to use my phone. So there's the microwave convection. I don't know if these are gonna come out or not. Seems like it has a little bit of a backlight to it, which is kind of cool. We're in the dark bathroom, which did not come out the first video. And there's the bedroom. All the nice wooden cabinets. And I'm going to start getting some of this green rug out of here and knock the 90s off this thing. But she's a great bus. 16 trips later and running like a sewing machine. There's the shower. A couple of lights on here. Let's see if that helps. There's the shower. Nice tile floor. Basically, I just wanted to see how this camera does. Alright guys, that's the end of the test. Over and out.